This is learning from home which is doing by student of then grade Semansa in order to fight for COVID-19. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Andika Dudarmawan. Here I am as moderator. Okay, today we will explain the material about simple present tense. This time I'm not alone because I'm with my friend. This is Anggi Pratiwi, Padilla, Gito Restu Alamsyah, Rahmat Hidayat, Danu Taska, Irfan Saputra, and Miki Anugrah Ardana. Okay, beforehand, does anyone know what is simple present tense? If not, let's hear and see the explanation from my friends.
Here I will explain the meaning of a simple present tense. Okay, get on with it, please listen. Simple present tense is the tense used to express an action of activities taking place or happening at the present time in a simple form, or activities performed repeatedly or daily habit or acts that have nothing to do with time. The information that can be used in the simple present tense is every day, every month, every year, every week, every night, every afternoon, every minute, every hour, once a week, and twice a week. As for the function of simple present tense, that is, number 1, stating an event, action, or event that can be done and has become reality of or action that have become a habit. Number 2, stating an event or event that is common and cannot be denied or stating the general term. Number 3, declaring an event or order to the second person on or interlocutor. Number 4, declares an event or event that is pertain to occur or has been scheduled and will occur or be carried out in the future. Number 5, show the ability, character, and characteristic of a person. Number 6, citing announcement, no papers, book news, or website. Number 7, headline in newspaper or magazines. Number 8, in the narrative of the drama to illustrate the course of the story and is also used by radio or television commentator in the event by the body.
Okay, then I will explain the formula of simple present tense, which is a positive formula both in verb and adjective. Formula A verb sentence, positive form, subject plus infinitive, use verb 1. And then nominal sentence, positive form, subject plus to be plus adjective, and then adverb. Use subject divided into 4 pieces, I, you, we, they. And then to be divided into 3 pieces, M is R.
Baiklah, saya akan menjelaskan tentang simple present tense rumus negatif. Untuk membentuk kalimat simple present tense negatif, biasanya menggunakan tambahan don't atau does sebelum kata kerja, kecuali to be dan modal. Rumusnya yaitu subject plus don't atau does plus verb 1 plus object. Jika kata kerja atau verbnya berupa to be, maka rumusnya menjadi subject plus is, am, are plus not plus object.
Alright, here I will explain the simple present tense interrogative formula. Examples of interrogative simple present tense sentences. Interrogative is another name for the question, so we learn to make sense question. Start with do or does auxiliary verb for sentences that have verbs. start with to be. Is, am, are. For sentences without verb, remember, and a question mark. Interrogative sentences have two types, namely verbal and nominal. Here are examples. Interrogative verbal. Yes, no question. For the question above with the answer yes, no. Just put the do's at the beginning of the sentence. Do's plus subject plus verb 1 plus complement. Example: do you go to school? Does she go to school? We have question. The question uses what, who, where, when, why, how, other the do, dois behind it. We have plus do it plus subject plus verb 1 plus complement. Example: where do you go? Where does she go? Interrogative nominal. Yes, no question. For question with you know, answer. Just put am, are, is at beginning of the sentence. Am, are, is plus subject plus complement. Example: am I beautiful? Is he strong? We have question. The question uses what, who, where, when, why, how, other the am, are, is behind it. We have plus am, are, is plus subject. Example: where are you? Where is she?
Okay, so I will explain some examples of simple present tense in the form of positive tense, negative, and X about the coronavirus. Next, example of the first sentence. The doctor was infected with the coronavirus. The doctor was not exposed to the coronavirus. Did the doctor get coronavirus? Okay, next example of the second tense. He is a coronavirus patient. He is not a coronavirus patient. Is he a coronavirus patient?
While I am will give an example of the sentence about simple present tense. Okay, the first was, my friend is infected with coronavirus. Positive. My friend is not infected with coronavirus. Negative. Is my friend infected with coronavirus? Interrogative. Next one is a sentence. It was contaminated with coronavirus. Positive. It was not contaminated by the coronavirus. Negative. Whether it was contaminated with the coronavirus. Interrogative.
Well, our friends have discussed about simple present tense, where there is an opening, definition, positive formula, negative formula, interrogative formula, and examples. Now, I will close our current learning by hoping friends can understand and explain about simple present tense. Apologize if there are errors of words, and to God we beg for forgiveness. We end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.